Want to clear up space by removing all maps and the skins in Free Fire? Here's how. Open the Free Fire app and go to the settings by tapping the gear icon on the home screen. Next, find and tap on Download Center or Download Manager. You'll see a list of all maps, skins, voice packs, and resource files you've downloaded. Now simply uncheck or tap Remove next to each map or skin you no longer need, like Nextera, Bermuda, or Costume Packs. The game will automatically delete those files and free up space on your device. To make sure it's clean, restart the app once the files are removed, and that's it. You've now removed all extra content and kept only the core game.